Are you looking for the best flip phone? In this video, we want to the top 5 best flip phone on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Uniwa X28 Flip Phone. The Uniwa X28 Flip Phone is a delightful blend of old-school charm and modern functionality, offering a unique take on the classic flip phone design. With its 165 flip angle, the Uniwa X28 feels robust and powerful in your hand. Here's a closer look at some of its standout features. Design and display. The 2.8-foot/1.77 dual TFT display screen is both functional and nostalgic. It's large enough to provide a comfortable viewing experience while keeping the compact form factor intact. The dual screens allow for efficient multitasking and easy navigation. Battery life. The 1200 mAh battery is a standout feature, offering remarkable standby time. You can confidently rely on the Uniwa X28 to stay powered throughout the day, making it a great companion for those who prefer longevity over constant charging. Accessibility. The Uniwa X28 caters to a wider audience with its large fonts and large buttons. This is a boon for seniors or anyone who appreciates ease of use. The intuitive design ensures that anyone can navigate the phone effortlessly. Entertainment. The inclusion of a wireless FM radio adds an element of entertainment on the go. Whether you're waiting at the bus stop or going for a leisurely walk, you can tune in to your favorite stations without needing headphones. Safety features. The Uniwa X28 takes safety seriously with its preset 3 SOS emergency contact numbers. In case of emergencies, the phone ensures that help is just a few button presses away, providing peace of mind to both users and their loved ones. Audio quality. The double magnetic horn speaker delivers clear and crisp sound quality. Whether you're making calls or listening to music, you can expect an enjoyable audio experience. Camera. While not a powerhouse in terms of photography, the 0.3 MP back camera is a handy addition for capturing quick snapshots of memorable moments. In conclusion, the Uniwa X28 flip phone successfully blends the best of both worlds: the nostalgia of a flip phone with the convenience of modern features. Its impressive battery life, user-friendly design, and safety features make it an excellent choice for seniors or anyone looking for a reliable and straightforward mobile phone. While it may not have the advanced features of smartphones, the Uniwa X28 shines in its own right for what it is. Number 4. QIN Mini Q Flip Phone. In a world dominated by sleek, feature-packed smartphones, the QIN Mini Q Flip Phone is a refreshing blast from the past. This retro-inspired flip phone combines a nostalgic design with some modern conveniences, making it an intriguing option for those seeking a simpler mobile experience. Design and build quality. The QIN Mini Q Flip Phone immediately grabs your attention with its classic clamshell design. It's compact, lightweight, and reminiscent of the flip phones of yesteryears. The build quality is surprisingly robust for a device in this category, with a hinge that feels sturdy and a solid plastic exterior. Display. The phone boasts a dual screen setup, with a 2.8-inch main display and a smaller 1.77-inch subdisplay on the outer shell. While the screens are not particularly large or high resolution, 240 × 320 pixels, they serve their purpose well. The touchscreen functionality is a nice addition, making navigation more intuitive. Performance. Running on Android 8.1 with an MTK 6739 chipset, 3 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of internal storage, the QIN Mini Q Flip Phone provides a basic smartphone experience. It's not meant for heavy multitasking or resource-intensive apps, but it handles everyday tasks reasonably well. Apps load at a decent pace, and the phone generally feels responsive. Camera. Don't expect breathtaking photography with this flip phone. The 0.3 MP front and 2 MP rear cameras are adequate for simple snapshots, but image quality is far from impressive. It's important to remember that this phone prioritizes function over photography. Connectivity. Surprisingly, the QIN Mini Q Flip Phone offers modern connectivity options such as Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and FM radio. This makes it more versatile than you might expect, allowing you to stay connected and entertained on the go. Battery life. With a 1450 mAh battery, the QIN Mini Q flip phone offers respectable battery life. It easily lasts through a day of moderate usage, thanks in part to the phone's lower power demands compared to modern smartphones. Additional features. The phone comes equipped with a few handy extras, including a torch, calculator, alarm clock, calendar, and voice recorder. While these features are fairly standard, they add to the overall utility of the device. External memory. The QIN Mini Q flip phone supports T-Flash cards up to 32 GB, allowing you to expand the storage for more photos, videos, and music. Final thoughts. The QIN Mini Q flip phone is a charming throwback to the era of flip phones. While it may not compete with the latest smartphones in terms of performance or camera quality, it offers a simple and functional mobile experience. If you're looking for a secondary phone for calls, texts, and basic connectivity, or if you simply want to relive the nostalgia of flip phones, the QIN Mini Q flip phone could be the device for you. Number 3. Servo P21 flip phone. I recently got my hands on the Servo P21 flip phone, and I must say, it's been quite an interesting experience. This phone packs a surprising number of features into its compact form, making it a versatile choice for those looking for a reliable backup device or a primary phone with some unique functionalities. One of the standout features of the Servo P21 is its support for 4 SIM cards, allowing for 4-card for standby operation. This means you can seamlessly manage multiple phone lines without missing any important calls, making it an ideal choice for those who juggle work and personal contacts. The high-definition camera on this flip phone is surprisingly capable. It may not compete with flagship smartphone cameras, but it's more than adequate for capturing spontaneous moments. Having a camera on a flip phone is a welcome addition, as it allows you to document the beauty of everyday life. Automatic call recording is another useful feature. Once activated, it effortlessly records your calls, ensuring you never miss important information or conversations. This can be a game changer for business or personal use. The inclusion of an LED flashlight is a practical addition, providing a bright light at your fingertips with just one click of a side button. It's a handy tool for those moments when you find yourself in the dark. For entertainment, the Servo P21 boasts a music and video player. Even without an internet connection, you can enjoy your downloaded media, saving you from boredom during commutes or downtime. Battery life is impressive, thanks to the 1200 mAh large-capacity battery. You can count on this phone to last through the day with ease, and its ultra-long standby time ensures it's always ready when you need it. Speed dial functionality is a convenient time saver, allowing you to call your frequently contacted friends and family with just one click. No need to fumble through your phone book again. The inclusion of an FM radio is a pleasant surprise. It turns your phone into a portable radio, offering a range of content and a loud, clear sound. You can listen to your favorite programs on the go. The Magic Voice feature is a fun addition, offering 3 different voices to choose from during calls. It adds a playful touch to your conversations. The Servo P21 also takes your comfort and security seriously with its blacklist feature, allowing you to block specified numbers and keep your life cleaner and more comfortable. Lastly, the phone doesn't skimp on practical features like a calculator, calendar, games, alarm clock, Bluetooth, and a recorder, making it a versatile tool for everyday use. In conclusion, the Servo P21 flip phone surprises with its rich feature set. It's a reliable, multifunctional device that goes beyond the basics. Whether you're in need of a backup phone or simply appreciate the nostalgia of a flip phone with modern conveniences, the Servo P21 is worth considering. It's practical, entertaining, and adds a touch of versatility to your communication needs. Number 2. Samsung G9198 flip phone. In a world dominated by sleek, slab-like smartphones, the Samsung G9198 flip phone dares to be different. This unique device seamlessly combines a touch of nostalgia with modern technology, offering a refreshing departure from the conventional smartphone experience. Design and display. The Samsung G9198 immediately captures attention with its classic flip phone design. Its compact size and ergonomic build make it comfortable to hold and operate with one hand. The device boasts a 3.9-inch display, which, while not massive, is surprisingly sharp and vibrant. Though it may not compete with the latest OLED screens, it is more than adequate for everyday tasks and browsing. Camera. The 16MP rear camera on the Samsung G9198 delivers respectable image quality. It may not be at the top of the smartphone camera hierarchy, but it captures decent shots with good color accuracy and detail. The 5MP front camera is adequate for selfies and video calls. It's not a photography powerhouse, but it gets the job done. Performance. Under the hood, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 808 MSM 8992 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM provides a snappy and responsive user experience. While it won't handle heavy gaming or resource-intensive applications like flagship smartphones, it smoothly handles everyday tasks, social media, and web browsing. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it user-friendly for all generations. Battery life. The 2020 mAh battery may not sound impressive on paper, but it's optimized for the phone's compact size and conservative power usage. With moderate usage, the Samsung G9198 easily lasts through a full day, making it a reliable companion for those who don't want to be tethered to a charger constantly. Audio. The inclusion of a 3.5mm audio jack is a welcomed feature, allowing users to enjoy their favorite tunes with their preferred wired headphones. The audio quality is decent, providing clear sound for calls and satisfactory performance for music and video playback. Conclusion. The Samsung G9198 flip phone is a charming departure from the typical smartphone experience. Its classic design and functional features make it stand out in a sea of glass slabs. While it may not match flagship devices in terms of performance or camera prowess, it serves as a reliable and stylish choice for those who appreciate a touch of nostalgia and a device that gets the job done without the fuss. If you're looking for a blend of the past and the present in a smartphone, the Samsung G9198 flip phone might be the perfect choice for you. Number 1. Nokia 2660 flip phone. The Nokia 2660 flip phone is a delightful blend of classic design and modern convenience. In a world of ever-advancing smartphones, this device takes a refreshing step back, offering a user-friendly experience that's often hard to find today. One of the standout features of the Nokia 2660 is its big buttons and a generous 2.8 display. For those who find navigating tiny touchscreens a challenge, this phone is a breath of fresh air. Texting and calling have never been easier, thanks to the spacious buttons that make typing messages a breeze. The clear 2.8 display is a treat for the eyes, and the easy-to-use interface ensures that even those who may not be tech-savvy can navigate effortlessly. What sets this phone apart is the dedicated emergency button. In today's fast-paced world, having a quick and reliable way to reach out to loved ones in case of an emergency is crucial. The Nokia 2660 provides peace of mind with its dedicated emergency button, allowing you to quickly contact up to 5 of your chosen contacts. Whether the phone is open or closed, this feature can be easily accessed, ensuring that help is just a button press away when you need it most. Another charming aspect of this phone is its FM radio functionality. In an age of streaming services and endless playlists, the Nokia 2660 offers a nostalgic yet practical feature. Whether you're at home or on the move, you can tune into your favorite sports events, music, or broadcasts with the option to listen through earphones or the hands-free speaker. It's a reminder of simpler times when radio was the go-to source for entertainment, and it's a welcome addition for those who still appreciate the art of traditional radio broadcasts. In summary, the Nokia 2660 flip phone is a refreshing departure from the complexity of modern smartphones. Its big buttons and clear display make it an excellent choice for those who seek simplicity and ease of use in their mobile devices. The dedicated emergency button adds a layer of security that's invaluable in today's world, and the FM radio feature brings a touch of nostalgia to your daily routine. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly phone with a touch of classic charm, the Nokia 2660 flip phone is a solid choice.